Hey guys, good morning and welcome. I'm Owen Lee, and in this video I'm going to have a quick look at Bitcoin, the markets. As we know, it has been really quiet for a good couple of weeks now. Not much movement there at all. So what we're going to do is just have a quick look at that. The current market cap is 221.9 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is 51.98%. So Bitcoin at the moment at 6,663. So we're right on the edge of that resistance. Obviously, Bitcoin itself has not been doing much at all. This is the bigger sort of chart going back to the beginning of the year, so 2018. So yeah, it's not been doing much at all apart from declining, but we're now at this critical point down here. So we're so squeezed in at the moment. As you can see, the old Bollinger lines are really tight. So this is the point that everyone's waiting for the break. We've got our support level here at 6,700, and this is quite a key. So we've got 67, 67, 68, 69 for our resistance lines there. And as I say, we're really close to it now. So if anything's going to happen, significant, it is going to be in the next few days. So we need to, we're getting right there. Obviously this can do one or two things. We can either follow this up and break through the resistance lines and continue to make a bit of a push, or we are going to get rejected and sent straight back down, which hopefully we're not. We have started to make an uptrend with with sort of some higher highs coming in, and we've got certainly higher lows, so that's signs that things are looking up. Obviously it's a bit hit and miss at the moment, and all eyes are on this sort of this current moving. It's just what's going to happen. It's anyone's game. Looking at it, we've sort of pushed up. We've certainly tested, and then we've been rejected back down. And it's almost like the bears are coming back in here and going, oh no, we're not playing that game. But we're so close onto that line. The markets have been sort of getting really quiet, and there's been talk of the bears running out of steam, which is a great that would be absolutely wonderful, because it means that the bulls can then sort of push for a bit of a rally. But we've got to break through those key resistance areas. We've had some, the trading volume just seems to have dropped off a little bit. So had a bit of a push there, but I think this is where we've tried up here and then kind of faltered. So it's all eyes on the market. I've been saying for the last few days in the last few videos that the 10th is going to be sort of the critical time. That's tomorrow. I think over the next sort of 24 to 48 hours, we're certainly going to see some kind of movement, and I think we're going to see something quite big. I don't think we're going to push all the way back down, if I'm honest. I really don't. I do think that we are going to I think that what we're going to do is, hang on, let me just change my colour. I think we're going to come back down, and then we're going to break out, and actually make some kind of movement here. And I think by Christmas, if we can push out through there by Christmas, we should be up around the $9,000 to $10,000 mark, which is quite a push. But I'm optimistic that we can do that. Alternatively, obviously, sort of worst case scenario is that we come through, we get completely rejected, and then we end up pushing all the way back down and really pushing into here. And then obviously again we're going to be playing the same thing, because we're going to be down at the 6,400. So yes, well, anyway, that's just a quick one from me. Fingers crossed, guys. I think, as I say, the next 24 to 48 hours are going to be key, is to sort of getting a better understanding and idea of what is going to be happening. Remember, it's not financial advice. This is just my own opinions. of looking at the market, you know, and having a little dabble. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found that useful, and you know, you've I say learned something, maybe not, but do give us a like, and you know, follow if you want to. You know, I'll be doing some more of these videos, so you know, follow. I've only been doing a few so far, but hopefully you know, we'll get some more off the ground. Thanks very much for your support, guys. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can do at crypto_Lee. I you know, tweet things that I think are relevant. You know, obviously there is a lot of FUD out there, so I do try to work out what is and what's not. Can't get it right all the time, but as I say, you know, I do try to tweet out relevant content. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching. Have fun. Adios.